Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Monday.com pricing tiers step by step clearly. Visit the Monday.com website. Look for the pricing section located in the main navigation. Select the pricing option to view different tiers. Review the various plans available and their features. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Click on the Get Started or Try for Free button associated with your chosen plan. Create an account by entering your email and creating a password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Log in to your new account using your credentials. Follow any prompts to set up your account details. Once your account is set up, navigate back to the pricing page. Select your desired tier once again. You may have the option to add additional users or features. Make your selections. Proceed to the payment section by clicking on the Checkout button. Enter your payment information as required. Review your order for accuracy before confirming. Click on the Confirm Purchase or Equivalent button to finalize your order. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your subscription. Now, explore your Monday.com account to start using the features of your chosen plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.